This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. As we wrap up this year, Ikea dropped a wave of announcements for 2026. And let me tell you, the collections that are coming up next year are on another level. So as your Ikea life reporter on the spot, today I'll give you some exclusive sneak peek. And trust me, what's coming this next year is just chef's kiss. I'm on. This is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go. The first collection that's coming out in 2026 that's super exciting is the new Smart Home collection. And Ikea just released a massive update that is a total game changer. They're actually launching 21 new smart home products. And the best part is that they are all Matter compatible, which means they will all sync with Apple, Google, and Alexa. It's huge. First, they're dropping new smart bulb range, and there will be 11 different versions of them. What I absolutely love is that they will now have these gorgeous clear glass decorative bulbs that give you that vintage filament look, which is so mid-century modern, but they are fully smart and dimmable. So you get that cozy, warm MCM vibe without sacrificing the tech. Basically, we're getting the best of both worlds. Now, to run all of this, they have updated the Did You Get a Hub? Think of this as the brain of the operation. It's now certified Matter controller, and this is actually what lets you mix and match brands so you aren't stuck in just one ecosystem. It makes building a smart home actually affordable and simple. Now, moving on to something that is a total lifesaver, literally, the new sensors. They released 5 of them, but there are a few I'm just dying to get: a motion sensor, water leakage sensor, and air quality, CO2 and humidity sensor. The air quality sensor will connect to the Ikea air purifiers, which is amazing. Plus, they all look sleek, minimal, and just keep your home healthy. But what I have been most excited about is how you actually control all of this. For that, Ikea releases the GREJSIMOJS remotes, and guys, when I saw these designs, I screamed, they are stunning. They have one with a scroll wheel, so you can dim lights or change colors. Plus, just look at these pops of colors. They are just everything. Loving this new collection so much. Another collection Ikea announced for 2026 is the GREJSIMOJS collection, which is set to be the Playful living collection that celebrates the joy and the importance of play for everyone at any age in every home. This collection will actually come out in February 2026 and is just such a vibe, and unlike anything I've ever seen at Ikea, it will be a 33-piece range collection designed to spark imagination and bring tiny pockets of joy into everyday life. Think colorful floor cushions, playful storage boxes, kids rocks, balance boards, quirky furniture, and so much more. But what actually makes this drop so exciting was the announcement of this fluffy cover for their famous chair that we will be all able to buy in the color of the year Ikea released, which is Rebel Pink. And doesn't this look like a cute Chewbacca? It looks so good, and it's such a smart way to upgrade an Ikea classic, and I just can't wait to see this in Ikea stores in February. Also, there will be a new wave of kids and play-focused products with some amazing new child-friendly designs like imaginative play sets, soft modular seating, and storage that's actually cute enough to live out in the open. It's all about blending functionality with personality, making your home feel creative, lively, and just full of play no matter the age. Now, before we move on to the next exciting collection for 2026, I just need to tell you about today's sponsor, Squarespace, the all-in-one website platform to help you stand out in the digital crowd. Now, if you want to succeed online, you need to check out Squarespace. Especially with their flexible website templates, you can completely customize your website to match your vision and your brand. They have these professionally designed options for every style. Whether you're into minimal or bold, there is something for everyone. And if you're dreaming dreaming of turning your passion into a little side hustle this next year, you just have to check out their online store features. Whether you offer services, sell products, or do both, Squarespace gives you everything you need to grow your business and get paid all in one place. Plus, with their easy online payments and built-in tools for inventory, shipping, and fulfillment, you can simplify your workflow, giving your customers a seamless shopping experience. It's so seamless, and honestly, it makes selling feel less daunting and more exciting. So if you've been thinking of creating a website or an online store, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebymon to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our IKEA 2026 drops. Now the next collection that is coming out at the beginning of 2026 is actually this colorful collection for lighting and sound. Ikea is actually teaming up with Teklan, and it's literally turning lamps and speakers into real statement pieces. And yet another Ikea show-stopping collection that's all about retro-inspired lamps that double as speakers, playful Bluetooth speakers in bold colors, and quirky lamps that immediately catch your eye. Some of the highlights include the round Soul-Seed Bluetooth speaker, which comes in these gorgeous patterns, and also the swirled shaded cool gloss lamp/speaker, both totally functional but also so fun and so decorative. This collection is all about embracing color, retro vibes, and letting your home tech stand out instead of hiding it. It's honestly such a cool way to make everyday gadgets feel like a part of your decor, and it's just another collection that I'm dying to see in stores in 2026. And finally, we're wrapping up with two collections that I'm really hoping to see in 2026, but IKEA haven't said anything yet, so this is just my hopes and predictions. First up, their famous Nytillverkat collection, where retro IKEA classics were given new looks. I mean, over the past few years, IKEA has been bringing back old favorites and giving them a fresh, updated look, and I'm crossing my fingers for a new lineup this year. These pieces take classic IKEA designs and reimagine them with modern colors, textures, and finishes, and I hope to see more of in 2026. And then there is also the Stockholm collection that came out this year. IKEA released the largest edition of their iconic Stockholm 2025 collection with 96 new pieces, ranging from furniture, lighting, textiles to decor. Given its timing and broad scope, many of these items are expected to remain highlights into 2026, and I truly hope IKEA releases another round of pieces this year, since I personally believe this is one of the best IKEA collections released so far. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you liked this little sneak peek at the exciting new IKEA collections that are coming out in 2026. I'm so excited for all of them and just can't wait to cover them one by one as they drop this next year. I'll be covering every single collection and every single product that will come out this next year. So make sure to stay tuned because you don't want to miss that. Also, just a shout out to my next video, which is coming out this Monday. As we're rounding this year, I'm just mixing things up. So this video will be a rewind of the best IKEA collections and best IKEA products that came out in 2025, just like a IKEA rewind. So make sure to keep your notifications on, allowing all notifications because you don't want to miss it. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! There is a little nose peeking here. Whose is it? Mars. You've been such a lazy couch potato, buddy. Have you been awake for the video? I hope so. Oh. They have been really playing with Zara. And he's so tired. He's super tired from it. Right, Mars? You won't even open your eyes, buddy. It's okay. Just get cozy. and keep sleeping.